Right, so we would have already created our guides. Once you create them, it should look like this. Gonna close this here, and now we can continue to the next step. So, of course, you have your Apple Poster folder. You're going to go to it and you're going to import. Now, you can basically bring files into the program either by clicking and dragging. Of course, if you click and drag your image onto the image window here, document window here, you will open, or I should say, place the image inside the current product, or sorry, current project. If you click and drag it to the bar up here, it will open your image as a new image, a new project that you can work on separately. So it's up to you. That's if you use the click and drag method. You can also use the file place embedded method, which is the one that I would usually advise, uh, which of course you can find on the file menu, or you can use Control Shift and M as a keyboard shortcut. Now I will be of course clicking and dragging as I prefer to do that method, use that method. So I'm gonna click and drag and drop the background 17 file into the window here. Now naturally whenever you drop an image, whenever you place an image, it will always be in the transform mode. It will automatically be in transform mode. You will have to of course scale your image and then you can place it, right? So it's not placed automatically. It's in this mode where you can transform it. Now, naturally, when you're transforming your images, you use only the end nodes here, right? The four end nodes. If you're going to scale, and you have to use the shift key while you click and drag to scale. Now, if you do not use a shift key, it will scale both the width and height, but it will not be proportional, in which case you'll have to go to your options bar and hit the maintain aspect ratio to get back your proportions. If your width and height does not match, then it's not proportional. Once this is on, you can scale this up. Of course, you can scale this to full screen. So you should scale it off the canvas like that. And then you can place it. Placing can be done by right clicking the image and hitting place, or if you're in transform mode, you can also hit the little tick here or hit enter, right? Good. Now this image has been placed, this background image, and we're going to center it. Now generally when you're centering any object or any layer, any pixel, it has to be centered either proportional to the total area that you specify. Of course, if you select an area and you want to center pixels in that area, you can do that. Or you can center it based on the position of the multiple layers. Now, in this case, you want to center this vertically and horizontally in the center, so we have to select the entire page. So you can do that by going to select menu, select all, or Control A, keyboard shortcut, and then you will see the align options on the options bar, align commands. Of course, you have to be on your move tool. So I'm going to select the second option, which is align vertical centers, and I'm going to select the second to last option, which is align horizontal center. That is going to center the background 17 image inside that area there. So I'm going to Control D, which is deselect, or I can go to select, deselect, and that's that. I'm going to rename this, just going to call it maybe Beachy for now. Of course, you can call it whatever name you want, and that's that. So far, so good.